In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance light on your Volvo XC90. It's located on your dash. Put your key in, put it in the 1 position, hold down your odometer button, turn it in the 2nd position, and you're going to wait for the middle light to flash, the caution light. Once it flashes, you're going to push the button again, and now you're going to wait for a beep. Once it beeps, it means it's been reset. You can turn the key off, take it out, and now the service reminder light is out.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.